Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Emma. I've been thinking I really need to up my English speaking game. Especially with those daily use sentences. Got any tips?
Hey, Jasphere. Yeah, I've got loads of tips. Daily use sentences are a great way to practice. You use them all the time without even thinking about it.
Right. But that's the thing, I want to make sure I'm using am correctly. Sometimes I mix up the tenses or say things that sound a bit off.
That's totally normal when you're learning. But don't worry, we can work on it together. Let's start with some basics. How about greetings? What do you usually say when you meet someone?
Usually, I say, "Hi, how are you?" Is that good?
Perfect. It's simple and friendly. You can mix it up too, like saying, "Hey, what's up?" or "How's it going?"
Oh, I like how's it going. It sounds casual but cool.
Exactly. And when someone asks you how you are, you can respond with something like, "I'm good, thanks." How about you? Or "I'm doing well, what about you?"
Got it. But what if I'm not doing well? Do I just say, "I'm not great"?
You could say that, or something like, "I've been better," if you want to be polite but still honest.
Ah, that's a good one. I'll remember that. What about when I'm at a store or a cafe? I always feel awkward ordering stuff.
Yeah, that's a common one. Keep it simple. Start with, "Could I have," or "Can I get," like, "Can I get a coffee, please?" or "Could I have a sandwich?"
Oh, I usually say, "I want," is that okay?
It's okay, but "I want" can sound a bit direct. "Could I have" is a bit more polite and sounds more natural in English.
Good to know. What about asking for directions? I'm always lost in new places.
Aren't we all? Just say, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to?" Or "Can you help me find?" It's polite and gets straight to the point.
Could you tell me how to get to the nearest bus stop? Like that?
Exactly. And don't forget to say thanks after they help you. A simple "thanks a lot" or "I really appreciate it" goes a long way.
Thanks a lot, Emma. Laughs. I'm already feeling more confident. Anything else I should keep in mind?
Just keep practicing, Jasphere. The more you use these sentences, the more natural they'll feel. And don't be afraid to mix them up, add your own twist to make them yours.
Will do. Maybe next time we can practice some more complicated stuff?
Absolutely. We can dive into anything you want, questions, responses, even a bit of small talk. You'll be chatting like a pro in no time.
Sounds awesome. Thanks again, Emma. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime, Jasveer. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be giving me tips.
So, Emma, what about small talk? I hear it's super important in English, but I'm never sure what to say.
Oh, small talk is key. It's like a social glue. People use it to fill in the gaps and make conversations more comfortable.
But what should I talk about? I don't want to sound awkward or say something weird.
Don't worry, small talk is usually pretty basic. You can talk about the weather. Ask about someone's weekend, or even comment on something around you.
The weather, huh? That sounds easy. Like, it's a nice day today, isn't it?
Exactly. Or if it's raining, you could say, looks like we're in for a wet day. Simple stuff, but it keeps the conversation going.
What if I want to ask about someone's weekend? I feel like that can be tricky.
It's not too hard. Just ask, how was your weekend? Or did you do anything fun over the weekend?
Oh, I like that. Did you do anything fun over the weekend? Sounds casual and friendly.
Yep. And if they ask you back, you can keep it simple too. Like, I just relaxed at home, or I went out with some friends.
Nice. What about at work? Small talk there feels a bit different.
Good point. At work, you can talk about projects, ask how someone's day is going. Or even mention something like, it's been a busy day, huh?
Oh, I've heard people say that. Like, it's been a long day or looking forward to the weekend?
Exactly. Those are perfect for work. And if someone mentions something specific, you can follow up with a question. It shows you're interested.
Like if someone says they've got a big meeting, I could ask, how do you feel about it? Or is everything ready?
Yes, that's great. It keeps the conversation going and shows you're paying attention.
I'm starting to get the hang of this. Small talk doesn't seem so scary anymore.
It's really not. Just remember to keep it light and friendly. And don't stress if it feels awkward at first, that's normal.
Thanks, Emma. I'll definitely try these out. Anything else I should know about small talk?
Just be yourself, Jasveer. People appreciate authenticity. And remember, small talk isn't about deep topics. It's just a way to connect with others.
Got it. I'm feeling more confident already. Can't wait to try this out.
You'll do great. And if you ever need more practice, I'm here.
You're the best, Emma. Thanks a ton.
Anytime, Jasveer. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be the small talk master.